Good afternoon. Cheers. Welcome. How are you? My name is Ross Wheatley. I'm a wine and spirits professional. I have over 30 years experience, both here in the US and back home in London. I've been doing this for a long time. I worked for many top-level resorts, Michelin-star restaurants, bars, mom and pop restaurants, pubs. I've done it all. So I'm always happy to talk about wine, talk about spirits, cocktails, beer, any aspects of the beverage business. I'm happy to discuss in further detail. I'm now here based in Napa, in the heart of wine country. I work for a major distribution company and call on all the top-level resorts and restaurants here in the Napa Valley. I have 2 beautiful children, a great wife, 3 chickens, 2 dogs and a cat. So there's always something going on, we're always on the go, but I always have time to discuss a great glass of wine. So cheers.